Welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You're watching youtube.com/MeekFro, and by the title you already know what's going on in this video. I am doing another hair giveaway brought to you by Trendy Tresses. Trendy Tresses reached out to me concerning a review for this hair I have here in my head. I kind of made a crochet wig out of it. It is the Faux Ombré, the Faux Fro Ombré hair from Trendy Tresses. If you have not seen the video of me installing this hair onto a crochet wig cap, you should check that out now. The description box will hold the link to where you can click on and look at that video. Also, in the corner of your screen, you may or may not see a link to where you can watch that video. So yeah, the same particular hair that I used in the video, which is this, to make my crochet wig out of, you are going to win 4 bundles of this particular hair, this particular color. I have 4 bundles right here waiting for the winner. This is inside this cute little pouch here. And if you're choosing to do the same exact particular style with this hair, like make a crochet wig, I have inside of this bag a crochet cap, the same exact cap that I used, and I also have a crochet needle if you would like, that's also inside of the pouch. So you get to win all of that. It's only one winner for this contest. So yeah, in order to win this Faux Fro Ombre hair by Trendy Tresses, you have to go to the description box and read all of the rules. I'm not going to say the rules here. The rules will be spelled out for you. Easy, simple. Majority of it is just basically following pages and following simple instructions. Be sure you follow each instruction down to the T, and you will be entered in to win these 4 bundles, okay? And I'm gonna show you the bundles right now on camera, just in case you want to know what that looks like. I'm gonna take one out of the pack. So this is basically what it looks like here. It's just basically bundles of hair, but specifically it's for crochet. You could also just do Havana twists with these. It's like a bulk of hair. So there's 10 strands in each one, I believe, and it has a nice little ombre effect. Really cute. There's no pre-loop or anything on the end, so it could work as crochet hair. But like I said, you want to insert it as like Senegalese twist or Havana twist or faux locks. You could do faux locks with this. So please make sure that you follow all instructions to make sure that you are submitted into this contest. Yes. So yeah, do me a favor, thumbs up this video. That's first and foremost. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so. Hit the notification bell so you will know when videos like these are coming straight to you. Okay, thanks so much guys for watching. Also, thanks again Trendy Tresses for making this happen for my subscribers. Super excited. Thanks so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.